So I'm going to start that by asking you guys, what is your experience with clients who fear dating?
Yeah, well, what we found in the years that we've been doing this work is there are a couple themes that happen when people are afraid and just stuck, right?
Mm-hmm.
One, they don't want to be made to feel stupid or look stupid. That's a recurring theme. Two, they don't want to waste time. And three, they want to make sure it's right. Those are the top three. I don't want to connect with someone who's gonna, have me out there looking, fill in the blank. I don't want to waste my time and look up and it's 2 years and they went nowhere. And finally, it's just, I can't commit to this, or I don't know what I don't know. I think I need to wait some more. So it's that waiting, that fear of looking crazy, and just those are the top three trends that we were saying, okay, I want to date, but. So what comes after that but is going to be a challenge, because everything we do at WhenLoveWorks is foundational to the quote that we really, really like stress and help people unpack. Love and fear can coexist. So if you are saying, I want this, but I don't want to, nobody make me out here looking stupid. I want to make sure it's right, or I want to wait to make sure it's like everything after that but is going to cancel out everything that you truly desire. And so once we help people get to that understanding that I want a love relationship, you have to stop right there, which I'm not saying it's overnight, but that's usually the work and where we start, because a lot of people say the but, and we're saying the energy and everything about you is canceling out what you just said before.
But I want to back up a little bit, because and go to the core of why people get to that place in the first place. It usually people get to a they get derailed when there's non-acceptance to what is.
Yeah.
Like if you date somebody and it doesn't work out, that's information. The person has either told you guys aren't a fit, or the circumstances tell you it's not a fit. The biggest problem is people resisting what is. If something, that's like being upset when the sun comes out. It already is. You being upset with it is not going to change anything. So what happens is people resist what is, and then they don't accept what is, and then they go to a place of negativity around it. When the other person has spoken,
or the situation,
and your situation has spoken. There's information there, and then what happens is people take that same. That's what we sort of touches on what we talked about last week with healing. Healing takes so long because people fall in love with their story, and they just play the story over and over and over and over again. You got hurt one time, but you just keep loading up the gun and shooting that same bullet in you every day. You're like, boom, I'm gonna think about it some more. Boom, I'm gonna think about it some more. Boom, I'm gonna think about it some more. Over and over and over and over again. I told you, an average person, when they take themselves offline, is for like a year. So they're sitting there like going over the same thing. You're torturing yourself. How is that any different from all the spy movies where the person grabs you and sticks something in your ear, does it over and over until you comply? But you're doing this to yourself, and I'm telling you, please stop. Please stop. The situation spoke. There's somebody out there. There's somebody out there that will love you like you cannot believe, just like you are out of the box.
Yes, sir.
Just like you are. I mean, you ain't got, and there are people out here doing a Dr. Frankenstein on themselves when you just got to be you and that's the only thing that's sustainable, is you being yourself. Everything
love it.
else is going to be too hard. It's like acting.
Yeah. Woo. I love it. It reminds me of Dr. Maya Angelou's quote, when someone shows you who they are, believe them the first time. That's information.